Talk about 90s cool with this 1995 Chevrolet Suburban. Single owner, factory four-wheel drive, and 36,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive and see how it performs. This thing is friggin' sweet. This is cool as hell. Hands down, no questions asked, my favorite piece of inventory right now. And there's a lot of reasons as to why. One, it's a single owner 1995 Chevrolet Suburban factory four-wheel drive, and it only has 36,185 miles. This is a keeper style Suburban. It doesn't get any cooler than this. This thing is awesome. It retains its original numbers matching 350 or 57, whatever you want to call it. Runs like a brand new truck. 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission, and again, 36,000 documented miles. One owner, clean Carfax, clean Autocheck, no accidents or damage ever reported. Truck came from out west, so it's super clean inside and out. You have your power steering, your power disc brakes, and this thing runs like a brand new 1995 Chevrolet Suburban. The AC is nice and cold, the heat blows hot. Exhaust is still the factory style exhaust. You really hear more motor than you do exhaust, but it sounds great going down the road. I wouldn't change a damn thing on this. I would drive this as my daily driver. It's just cool as hell. There is nothing to complain about on this truck. On the interior, it's the factory light smoke gray interior. A little bit of wear on the edge of the driver's seat bolster and the passenger side seat bolster from getting in and out. The back middle row has no wear items. Doesn't look like anyone's ever sat back there. And then you do have your full third row in the back as well. The interior compartment in the rear behind the seats looks great. Headliner, visors, overhead console, center console here, all represents like a new truck. The visors have a little bit of sag in the material, but that's super minimal. Factory stereo, factory gauges, steering wheel still looks brand new. All of your upper plastics on the dash and your lower plastics on the dash look great. Glove box opens and closes properly. All your seat belts look good. Door panels, front and rear, and interior panels all look great. Carpet, floor mats, nothing's out of place. You do have an aftermarket little air gauge here, and then a red button and a black button. Looks like it had some helper bags on the back at one point, but the buttons aren't doing anything, so something's going on there. But you don't really need it. Probably again a little aftermarket deal that someone had installed maybe for towing something at one point, but it's not currently doing anything. And then the only other item we have listed is not working is the in and out functions on the power mirrors are not going in and out, but they do go up and down. The does it work section will be found on the website pcclassiccars.com. Click on the inventory tab, click on this truck in the inventory, scroll to the very bottom, and you'll see that additional media section. That'll have the Carfax, the Autocheck, all of the photos of the little imperfections, the motor numbers, VIN numbers, tags for the RPO codes, as well as that does it work section, so make sure you guys check that out. But while we're sitting here waiting on a couple pieces of traffic, how freaking cool is this thing? I love the graphics on the outside, love the wheel and tire combo. The miles are just unheard of on an OBS Suburban, especially a four-wheel drive one. The more I talk about this truck and the more that I'm in it and drive it, the more it makes me want to keep it for myself. It is that kind of truck. It is just super cool. But we are warmed up and we don't have any traffic coming now, so we'll roll into the throttle a little bit. Obviously not winning you any races. They're not crazy on the high performance, but it does what you want it to do for a four-wheel drive Suburban. The motor's strong, transmission's great, no rear end steering or brake issues at all. It's a 36,000 mile truck. What are you gonna say? It drives like a brand new. On the underneath, shows like a brand new truck. Little surface corrosion on the non-painted parts, but no problems of any kind on the underneath. And then same thing with the exterior. It's the factory white paint. Couple little nicks and little touch-ups in the paint and body. All minor stuff, nothing to note. I love the graphics that are on it. I think they are super cool, 90s correct. Me being a product of the 90s, I remember riding in these when I was a kid, going to and from sports events all over the country, sitting in the back going on long road trips. We had one of these, so rolling around in this is just kind of nostalgic for me. Super cool truck. Exterior, those flaws that you'll see, all are minor little touch-ups. You'll see photos of that in the additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. And sorry, I kind of cut off my note there. The graphics are really cool, real period correct for the 90s. Stock wheels, brand new white letter BFGs all the way around. These are the most miles that those tires have seen. Front bumper, rear bumper, they both check out nice. Same thing with the grill. I might not sell this. I might keep this as my daily driver. It's that cool. I absolutely love this Suburban. Air is super cold. As far as the suspension goes, being a factory four-wheel drive, all of your equipment does look like factory stuff. Factory four-wheel drive selector on the floor there. Your hubs look good. It goes in and out of four-wheel drive exactly like it should. The steering is nice and tight. Again, the brakes feel good. Like all OBS vehicles, when you hit the brakes, there is just a little bit of play in the brake pedal, but that's normal. The truck stops exactly like it should. No weird suspension sounds or squeaks. Glass is in good condition. Windows all roll up and down like they should. Your barn doors in the back open and close properly with your rear defrost back there. Windshield's got a few little nicks in it, but it's minor. Rear view mirror's crystal clear and no haziness at all. Your side mirrors are easy to see out of. Again, the in and out function is not working properly for the power mirrors, but the up and down does work. You do have your power adjustable driver seat over here, which functions properly. These seats are really comfortable to sit in. You can do long hauls in these. You do have tilt, you do have cruise. All of that is functioning as well. Turn signal switch is nice and tight. You have your little pop open cup holders there. When you get heavier into the throttle, that 4L60E downshifts like it should. Another note on the inside compartment in the back, you do have your spare back there with a little cover over it. Doesn't look like it's ever been messed with. Really everything on this truck doesn't look like it's been messed with. Outside of us adding brand new white letter BFGs, it's basically a bone stock truck. When you pop the hood, it is the original numbers matching 5.7. Everything in that engine compartment is pretty OE spec. Charging system's doing its job. Fluids all check out exactly like they're supposed to. Belts, hoses, serviceable items, again, are all good. It's hard to believe that you find vehicles like this still. When we had the opportunity to buy this, I saw 36,000 miles, four-wheel drive Suburban, and I knew I just had to own it. It's that cool of a truck. Probably won't find another one that's this clean with these miles. It's gonna take a while to find another one that's gonna kind of top my list for an OBS vehicle. This is a super, super cool truck. If y'all haven't figured it out in this video, I am all about this thing. This is a daily driver worthy Suburban and just kind of kick ass front to back. Roll into it here one more time. As always, I'm Michael. This is a one owner 1995 Chevrolet Suburban factory four-wheel drive with a documented 36,192 actual miles from myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars. We appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out all of the killer content we're posting across the social platforms. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again for tuning in.